Namaste ji, Sonu Singh is here and this is the second video of the course, and here I will give you a little bit basic introduction of the micro exercise that we didn't cover it in the previous video. So before we start the techniques, I would like to let you know where the micro exercise come from. It is the traditional Hatha Yoga techniques, that is we work for our good health. So in case if you have no time to practice asana for 1 hour or 2 hour or 30 minutes, you can just do this old techniques 5-minute minimum and maximum 60 minutes. So minimum 5 minutes and maximum 60 minutes. So that's going to be divided for our therapy part, or for our warm up we can just do it 5-10 minutes, it's fine. So that is the important to use the micro exercise techniques in our daily routine, morning, evening, or before your lunch. So that will be very nice. In case if you are just wake up early in the morning and you don't feel comfortable with your body, then in that case you need to work with your micro exercise techniques. So micro exercise, it's a English word. In Sanskrit the originally we called suksham vyayam. Suksham is mean micro, very little joints in our body, the little parts that we can feel it, we cannot see much, we can feel the micro joints. Like a finger joint has many finger joints, has a wrist joint, elbow joint, shoulder joint. So there is a micro. Vyayam is another Sanskrit word. So suksham vyayam, suksham is mean micro, vyayam is mean exercise. So exercise your little joints in your body, so it will give you better health, better blood circulation, and also these techniques work with your ligaments and tendons. Ligaments and tendons is very important muscle in our body that we work with the joints, every joint. So okay, we have 13 major joints that we use all the time, every day, almost every time. Without the 13 joints major, we cannot survive our life. And the rest we have a lot of joints. For example, fingers, we always catch the glass or cup or anything, we use the fingers. And after 60 years old, if we have the calcium problem, then we get the finger lock. That is very important. So 13 major joints are 2 ankles because we have to walk, 2 knee because we have to sit and walk, hip joints. So this 3 is become 1 leg, 3 joints, and the another 3 joints is another leg. So 6 joints is down, and the other 6 joints in the hands. So shoulder joint we move all the time, lifting up or side. Elbow joints we are moving all the time. If we stuck with a stick here and we cannot bend, you cannot eat food, right? That is very important. So we have to use for eating, for shower, for itching, for do everything in our body, right? So and the wrist. So this is a like we have another 6 joint in the hand. So 6 and 6 become 12, and the last 13 is over here is a neck. So neck we can move left, right. Sometimes you sleep not good, you sleep on the pillow and you wake up with a pain in your neck. So in that case we can use the micro exercise techniques to release the tensions from the neck and release the muscles also, to get better blood flow and feel better immediately. So it is very important. So in the age 60 plus, if you get any finger lock problem, what techniques you should do? This is very important. Nakap. Okay, let's try. So micro exercise techniques, we have a lot of techniques, a lot. So basically we divide micro exercise. Hand part is a 1 hand, legs, neck and head, and the spine. Just 4 parts. So hands is a 1 part, spine is a 1 part, neck and the head is a 1 part, and the legs are 1 part. So this is a 4 classifications of the micro exercise. So in the hand part, sometimes they are connecting with the spine, sometimes they are integrate with everyone, but sometimes is only specific one. So it is very important to improve our understanding. And micro exercise, we can start from the head to down, or we can start from the toes to up. If you start with the head, it means you have to think about, okay, in our head how many joints we have. In our head we have ear, we have nose, face, we have jaw here, and we can use activate the eyebrows up and down. We can use the facial micro exercise joints or the techniques. After that we have neck, so use the all neck, all techniques, neck direction. After that we have shoulder. In the shoulder, then we connect the elbow, wrist, fingers. This is that we going from up to down, right? So after hand, then spine twisting movement, and every techniques we will learn in the upcoming videos, so don't worry about that. I'm just explaining from, can start with the up to down or down to up. So if you're going up to down, after spine is a hip joint, then knee joint, then ankles, and then foot joint, and the toes at the last. If you start with the toes and then going up, bring your energy up, then you start with the toes, then foot joint, and then ankle, knee, hip joint, spine, and then shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingers, and the neck, and the later your face. So it can be minimum 5 minutes you can activate the whole joint, and maximum 60 minutes. That is will going to become a therapy class again. So it's important to start with step by step. We don't do like we starting with the leg, leg finished, then hand, then spine, or forget the head. Not like that. From up to down or down to up. Okay, remember another principle of the micro exercise we always do with our mindfulness. Example, one breath is one movement. We don't do like a one breath and we forget the breath, we just follow the movement. For example, this technique or this technique. Oh, okay, I'm doing micro exercise. This is a physical exercise. If you will doing so fast, you might be get some pain. Better with breath awareness. So inhale, elbows up, exhale, open your elbows maximum, open your chest maximum, and then down, step by step. So one breath is continue one circle. One breath is mean one breathe in and one breathe out. It's become one breath. So one breath is one movement. So any movement, any direction, or any technique you applying, you are studying in this course, you can just focus. Don't do fast and don't do too much slow. Not like this, I'm doing very slow. It's gone already for 5 breaths. We can do it slowly, very slowly we can do it, but only in special cases. For example, if somebody has an injury and they want to recover it, or if somebody has a very serious office syndrome, they cannot lift, so we have to let them try. Inhale up, down, try as much as they can. Inhale up, exhale down. Oh, they cannot go more than this, cannot, because they stuck, the muscles are stuck here. So open from here, like you can just try to do as much as feel comfortable, but don't force yourself and don't push yourself so much, because it is very important to learn about our body, and it is very important to improve our strength or the level of our practice. That's why the Sukshma Vyayama is very, very important, and it is very important for everyone. So that's why we are here together. So if you understand the micro exercise, okay, so next video we're gonna learn our techniques. We will have the techniques, many techniques, but I will try to cover it, all the techniques, with one video. So it's going to be video like longer, maybe 1 hour or more than that or less than this. So I have to try to give the better result to my public or my peoples who follow me online or who love me online or in my life, so I have to support everyone. Okay, so I hope you understand this second video. If you understand and if you have knowledge about this, please give me some comment, and do not forget to share this video to your friends, because this knowledge is for everyone, because it is a free online course, and I will be very happy to give my value, my experience, my knowledge to everyone, to you. And the most important part, if you didn't follow me on my other online social channels, you can feel free to search my name, Sonu Singh, and you can see my profile. There is many different videos. What you are seeing in the YouTube is not gonna see the same thing in the IG or Facebook or TikTok. Yeah, so it is very important to share the good energy, good knowledge to everyone, nakap. Okay, so see you soon and have a good day. I will be very happy to see your comment. Please check the description. Namaste, bye bye.